How to set up Instagram shopping with Shopify. Hi everyone, this is Alice from Shopify Tips and Help channel. I hope you are all doing well. As usual, you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and obviously on this YouTube channel. Today, we are going to talk about the best social media in town, Instagram, in collaboration with Shopify. As an merchant, you need to figure in it, especially with its 1.22 billion monthly active users worldwide. It is essential to be registered for the notoriety of an e-shop, as well as to develop its sale easily with the new feature, shopping. With this feature, it is now possible for brands and sellers to sell their products directly from the application. So this is the topic of the day: how to connect your Shopify store with Instagram and thus increase your sale more easily and smoothly. Instagram shopping, what it is. In the beginning, shopping allowed you to tag your posts and add links to products. Since then, shopping has developed and new offers and new possibilities and much better visibility. In addition to tagging products, companies can now create product collections, organize the product catalog, or highlight a selection of products and promote their items in stories. Instagram is a real source of inspiration for users who discover new brands and products every day, via influencers or even thanks to the algorithm of their searches on the application. It's therefore a must for an e-merchant to be present on Instagram, since it is about being where the consumers are and being part of their daily life. Be present, yes, but not only. Instagram users are zappers. That's why you need to capture their attention and focus on impulse buys to convert them into customers. That's why the platform now offers 5 tools to generate sales. Collection, which I mentioned earlier, product stickers on Instagram stories, product tags in posts, the shop tab on your page, and the buy tab. In other words, great marketing levers thanks to integrated purchase and numerous calls to action. Now I will explain how to set up Instagram shopping for your brand. Switch to a professional account first if you haven't already upgraded your Instagram account to a business account. This connection is essential. This is allow you to access the shopping features on Instagram, but also on Facebook. You will also be able to broadcast and manage your ads on the Facebook network. Then you need to check your eligibility. Before you start setting up Instagram shopping, you must first be sure that you meet various criteria. Only businesses selling physical products can use Instagram shopping features. Unfortunately, Instagram shopping does not work for services, such as coaching or training. Of course, the products sold must be legal and authorized for sales in the country concerned. Don't forget that your products must also be okay with Facebook's criteria. You understand the sale of counterfeit products or drugs is forbidden. And last but not least, of course, you must have your own online store. Shopify helps you to export your product catalog more easily. That's what I will explain right now with the installation of Instagram shopping to the Facebook sales channel. Next, you will need to add Instagram shopping to your Shopify store's Facebook sales channel. A 4-step installation. So first, you need to log into your Shopify online store admin interface and click Facebook sales channel overview. Then click on Setup in the Instagram shopping section. And after that, you need to connect the required Facebook accounts to the Facebook sales channel. Read and agree to the terms and conditions, then click Request Approval. This approval takes an average of 24-48 hours for Facebook to review your products and make sure you are in compliance with their terms and conditions. So don't be surprised by these delays. Shopify also supports you with its specific user guide, which I put the link in the description. The final step is to add a product catalog to Instagram. Once your business account has been approved, you can add your product catalog from the shopping section in your Instagram business profile settings. Here are the 4 steps instructions. On Instagram, open your business profile options. Then navigate to the settings section. Tap business, then shopping, and then confirm your Facebook account. After that, you need to select the product catalog you want to connect and tap done. And that's it, you are ready to increase your sales with this incredible tool. For sure, don't hesitate to give me your feedback in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to have new tips and follow Shopify trends. Thanks for watching!